Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this weighted quilted blanket by Bedsure. If you're not familiar with weighted blankets, they often come in different weights and different sizes. So this blanket is for a queen size bed, and it's a 20-pound blanket. And weighted blankets have all sorts of uses: anxiety, stress, various sleep disorders, restless leg syndrome. They help with a lot of things. And I heard so much about weighted blankets, but I just assumed they'd be really thick or uncomfortable to sleep with, and that is not at all true. As you can see, the blanket itself is pretty thin, and the weight is so evenly dispersed, it's not what you would assume. You might think it would be just so overbearingly heavy when you're sleeping, and it's not. It's almost like someone's cuddling with you. So it is kind of relaxing. My husband in particular really likes the weighted blanket. And this one is a nice neutral gray color. And it will not bunch up because the weight is evenly dispersed in between the little quilts. You can't really feel the weights. If you try really hard to find it, it kind of feels like sand, but you can't feel that when you're sleeping or anything like that. And as you can see, it's nice and thin. And the cover is very soft. So if you guys would like to try one of these, if you've never tried a weighted blanket, I suggest it. They're pretty cool. And they do give you a good night's sleep. So I do have a link below for this exact blanket and a promo code that'll save you some money. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.